Hi everyone! In this class, I'm going to teach you a step-by-step process of how to color a leaf using color pencils. For this class, you will need a paper, a pencil, eraser and some color pencils. You can use any pencil to sketch the leaf. I'm using a 2B pencil. You can use any smooth surface paper. I'm using Bristol smooth surface paper here. And I'm going to use Prisma color pencils. You can use any other brand. I will start off by sketching the outline of a leaf. Draw the basic shape of a leaf with some veins. The small veins of the leaf are challenging details. I'm not going to draw all the small veins on the leaf. I'm just going to draw the main vein with some side veins. Deposing is stamping or pressing down into the surface. I'm going to use this technique to draw the veins on the leaf. Use a hard point like a compass tip or a scissor tip to draw the smaller veins. Here I am using my white color pencil to draw the veins. I am applying some pressure on the main line and also to the side lines. This will help me to preserve the white of the vase. These veins will not show up well now, but after layering color pencil over these marks, the light colored veins will emerge. Starting with the yellow shade, I will shade the entire leaf first. Hold your pencil from back and use the side of the pencil to shade. This will help you to control the pressure and get more even pressure when shading. Also, this will result in a smoother shading with no dark lines. Switch to the green pencil and cover the entire leaf with the base coat of the color. Be sure to choose a natural green of this. Greens that lean closer to yellow-green will produce better result. Can you see the veins emerging? The leaf is not the same value everywhere. Keep your values a little lighter than those you observe in the reference picture. You can also make them darker if you need. When I observe the picture, I can see that the shadows are darkest close to the veins and at the edges of the leaf. So I will color these areas with a darker shade of green. I will start by applying medium pressure at the veins, and as I shade further away from the veins, I'll gradually decrease the pressure and blend into my base layer. Apply this technique to shade the rest of the leaf. As you can see, my pencil moves in small circles with a medium pressure. At this stage of the process, some of the white spots should disappear. Now you can choose the darkest shade of green and shade lightly near the central axis of the leaf. Develop the thick stem that runs through the middle by adding color on one side. I am using the darkest green to strengthen the dark parts of the leaf. This increases the contrast in our drawing. Apply medium pressure to shade near the veins, and as you go further, reduce the pressure and blend into the base layer. Shade the rest of the leaf using the same technique. Start with the medium pressure, and as you go further, reduce the pressure and blend into the base layer. It would be good if you increase the contrast or additionally burnish some areas. You can choose a lighter shade of green and use the tip of the pencil and apply more pressure to blend it into the dark layer. So in this process, you will not see any more white spots. All the white spots would disappear. Finally, I would like to use my black color pencil to darken some parts. Use very light pressure to shade the dark areas. I would like to swatch all the colors I have used to shade this leaf. And yes, we have created a wonderful colored pencil drawing. I hope that the process was fun and interesting to follow. Thanks for watching and see you soon.